3, 2, 1 Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your character. Every tear that you cry is worth it in the end. You're stronger than you know, there's power in your bones. The flowers that you've grown were watered by your tears. You say you're growing old, one day you're gonna fold. Amazing how you go
열심히 고르는 중입니다. 네. 살을 빼야 되겠다. 오, 3분 남았네. 너무 이쁘지 않아요? 그냥 걷다가 지나쳤는데 되게 이뻐요. 너무 귀엽게. 근데 여기다가 이제 짱구 필터를 빨리
넣어볼게요. 산책 완료. 산책 완료. 저는 얘를 하고 싶었습니다. 비밀이.
귀여워.
근데 다 해보자.
아 근데
우와 이것도 귀여워.
그것도 예쁘고.
이것도 귀여워. 땡. 아 얘는 좀 별로다.
잠깐 그
이거?
밑에 아니야 옆에
이거?
그거 옆에. 얘도 예쁘다.
오.
나는 이거 아니면
이거. 이거. 이거.
다 귀엽다.
이거 하자. 얘
그래,
하자.
너 하고 싶은 거 해. 이거 하자.
좋아.
이거 하자.
이거 하자. 얘가 좋아. 비밀이.
아 진짜?
인쇄야.
짜잔. 나와라. 나에게 오너라.
나에게 오너라. 아니 하나 더 있어. 기회가 하나 더 있어.
먹음직한 이 비주얼 이거 뭘까? 너무 맛있어 보여.
그니까.
여러분 이 볶음밥은 개오바예요.
개오바입니다.
5,500원?
5,900원.
5,900원? 거의 6,000원인데 양이 진짜 너무 적은 것 같아.
진짜 좋다.
인사해. My favorite flower is peony. I have white ones. 하이볼이랑
너다는 그 미션 임퍼서블 5 시리즈 나온 거 하나 M3밖에 너무 말하는 건 아니야.
뜨등. 야 카레우등 되게 맛있어 보인다. 그냥 일반 카레. 이건 뭔진 모르겠고 그냥 카라게? 카라게? 돈까스. 예. 아니야 괜찮아.
사진 못 찍는데.
조개구이. I've been waiting for over an hour. Bro! How are you? No hug?
Hi.
Came to General Monster today with my sister because I was being dumb and I broke my glasses.
I like this.
Yeah, I like that one better than the last one.
Really?
Wait, I kind of like this one. And it's pink. Like it's me. No?
Looks good.
My outfit of the day. So my sunnies are from General Monster. Top is from Zara. Pants are from Ralph Lauren. My bag is Prada. And this is Swarovski. My sister is looking at the photos that I've taken of her and I'm not sure if she's satisfied. Dude, they were cute! I didn't really see it when I picked up my drink, but this is kind of cute. Nukdae is a place where your dessert fantasies come alive. And now I'm shaking and I can't read it properly, but I thought it was cute.
That's crazy.
Hi guys, this is my favorite Yaley.
Oh my God. Wait, is this a video? Oh,
Yeah, it's a vlogman song. I took him to the cafe I came a couple days ago that I randomly stumbled across because it was really nice and I didn't know we were gonna meet here. Oh, this looks really good on camera.
Really?
Look.
Oh shit, that does look good. I mean, it looks great in real life too, don't get me wrong.
Yeah, but like this looks really good on camera, guys. Anyways, this has become my new favorite cafe. It might be a little bit pricey, but it's okay. I'm a material girl. We all are. I feel like everyone should be a material girl.
Slay.
Say hi, bro. Anyways, we are walking to cider. Honestly, the only times I've ever ordered from cider were when I wanted cheap outfits to go out to bars and clubs with my friends for senior year. My sister wanted to go and today's the last day, so I guess we're going. Oh my god, there's a line. There's a whole line. 감사합니다. And my first stamp. Tell me these slippers are not ugly. They look so ugly, bro. And my sister was looking at these. Yeah, this makes me think of Germany. Oh, I miss Frankfurt. Wait, can I low-key buy this? For what though? Buy a fork. Lunch. Wait, these are actually are those ice trays? Should we buy an ice tray, like a Haribo ice tray? No. Well, I need some for my ice. We're about to go eat and we were walking, but look at this little cutie pie. We're gonna go into this pop-up store now. It looks cute. It looks really cute. I think we're gonna go in. See, this is why I really like Seongsu, because there's like so many pop-up stores that you can just walk into. I was getting hangry. Hence, we're gonna go eat. So we're going to this restaurant called 봄의 정원. What's it called in English? This is it. Oh, Spring Garden, Garden of Spring, I don't know. But I saw it on TikTok. So I've been wanting to try it. Oh, I don't like this restaurant. It has so many stairs. So we walked up 4 flights of stairs because we couldn't find this place. But turns out the restaurant was below. So this is the restaurant. Is it locked? Oh. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. So my sister ordered the hyotteu salad. Is that what it is? Yeah, it's like tofu salad basically. It's a really big salad. I just love how the wine comes in like a little bag with like these flowers. They're so adorable. It's like really aesthetic. Yay, our pasta came. This is what I ordered. It's the shrimp rosé pasta. 오늘 핸드폰이 좀 먹통이라 브이로그를 찍을 수 있을지 없을지 모르겠지만 마지막 손님으로 지금 우리가 할 거래요. 제가 진짜 좋아하거든요, 해장특급. 승현이가 줄 서면서부터 먹고 싶었던 쌀빵. 근데 맛있어 보이긴 하다. 이거 2개 시켰어요. 항상 동남아 시도하면 실패하잖아. 맞지. moment of truth. 귀엽게 나왔다. 대박. 오예. 아니 하루 줄 서러 가고 있었는데 얘네가 눈에 딱 들어온 거 아니에요. 내 사랑 곰돌이 푼. 이거 저는 너무 힘들어요. 언젠간 올라가겠지? 나 근데 저번에 우리 퍼스널 컬러 찍은 것도 아직 편집 안 했어. 아 진짜? 우리 언제 찍은 거? 12월? 1월에 했나? 아니야 12월에 했어. 아 진짜? 무슨 오래됐구나 그거. 얍. 편집 안 한 영상이 너무 많네요. 언젠간. 저는 여기 탈 거예요. 마지막이야. 진짜 보인다 이거. 어떡하냐. 미치겠다 진짜. 야. 찍은 거야? 찍고 있는 거야. 동영. 피스타치오 라떼, 초코 케이크, 저는 스파클링 와인, 그리고 레몬 케이크. 맛있겠다. So I ended up going to Coffee Works because I didn't have breakfast or lunch. So I got the burrata salad, which looks pretty good. My PT teacher actually recommended to try this, so I'm excited to try this. And then I got a kiwi juice. So I am on my way to meet my friend. She's my best friend from high school, and she just finished her TOEIC exam today. So we're gonna go celebrate. I'm gonna grab food and probably like a drink, or we might go to a cafe and just really hang out because we haven't been able to do that in a very long time. So that's the plan today.
I said I needed you, but baby that was never true. And it's not personal, it's everything you put me through. I was so tangled, but I'm finding my way out of the puzzle. And baby maybe
아 이거 근데 줄 좀
너무 많니?
어떡하지?
너무 많니? 그럼 다른 데로 갈까? 거기로 갈까? 도토리?
도토리는 어디야?
도토리도 근처여가지고 알아볼게요.
여기도 뭔가 있어 보인다.
이거.
More than whiskey. 도토리 바로 여긴데?
그러네?
도토리 바로 여기네.
길지야.
영리단길 너무 좋아.
와, 하플 옆에?
하플. 여기 가자.
너무 귀여워.
인스타에서 어제 봤지요. 여기가 아니라 여긴 것 같아.
볼 먹어도 맛있을 것 같아.
맛있겠다. 들어갈까? 야, 들어가니까 좀 시원한 것 같아. 아, 귀여워. 너무 귀여운데 이거 어떡해? 찜 요거트랑 바나나 요거트 음료를 시켰어요.
이거 꼭 올려줘.
언젠간 올라갈 거야.
몇 년 뒤. 거의 하루에 2번 타이밍 먹었거든. 이거 사장님이 하는 거래.
아, 진짜?
진짜. 대박이야.
군팀면?
이거? 이런가 봐. 분티?
뭐 아무튼 여기 대표 메뉴래요.
분티에. 해보겠습니다.
저는 hyotteu 볶음밥. 확실히 이게 있으니까 편하긴 하다.
그지? 한마디가 있어요. 우와.
여기가 오면 이제 나 무슨 식이 퇴근했는데
초점. 어머. 왜 이러노? 저기요.
저 얘도 마탱이 왔어. 벌레 때문에 무서워.
아, 됐다. 아, 아이스크림. 우.